Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2023 Chevy Colorado. This bad boy is packed with all the power and performance you could ever want in a mid-size pickup truck. But before we go any further, smash the like button and subscribe, which will enter you in a $200 Bitcoin giveaway. Now let's carry on. First off, let's talk about the engine options. The base model comes with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that pumps out 200 horsepower and 191 pound-feet of torque. But if you're looking for a little more kick, you can opt for the available 3.6-liter V6 that cranks out 308 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth, seamless shifts. But it's not just about the engine. The Colorado is built to handle the toughest of terrains. With features like the available Z71 off-road package, you'll be able to tackle rocky trails and muddy roads with ease. It includes a 4WD system, hill descent control, and a specially tuned suspension to give you maximum control and stability. And let's not forget about the Colorado's towing capabilities. With the V6 engine, you can tow up to 7,000 pounds, making it perfect for hauling boats, RVs, and other heavy equipment. Plus, with advanced features like the available trailer sway control and hill start assist, you'll have complete control over your load at all times. In addition to its impressive performance capabilities, the 2023 Chevy Colorado also boasts a sleek and modern design. The exterior features bold lines and a chiseled body that gives it a rugged yet refined look. The front grille is bold and commanding, while the LED headlights and taillights provide excellent visibility and make a bold statement on the road. Inside, the Colorado offers a spacious and comfortable cabin that's perfect for both work and play. The seats are made of premium materials and are designed to provide maximum comfort and support, even on long trips. The infotainment system is intuitive and easy to use, with a large touchscreen display and a variety of connectivity options, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety features are also a priority in the 2023 Chevy Colorado. The truck comes standard with a variety of advanced safety technologies, including lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. Additionally, the available advanced safety package offers even more features, such as adaptive cruise control and automatic parking assist. When it comes to cargo space, the 2023 Chevy Colorado doesn't disappoint. The bed is spacious and versatile, with a maximum capacity of 74 cubic feet. The bed also features a variety of tie-down points and options for securing your cargo, making it the perfect truck for hauling everything from tools and equipment to furniture and sporting goods. Another great feature of the 2023 Chevy Colorado is its fuel efficiency. Despite its powerful engine options, the truck still manages to achieve impressive fuel economy ratings. The 4-cylinder engine gets an estimated 20 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway, while the V6 engine gets 18 mpg in the city and 25 mpg on the highway. This makes the Colorado an excellent choice for both work and play, as you won't have to constantly stop to fill up the tank. Another great feature of the 2023 Chevy Colorado is its customization options. Chevy offers a wide range of packages and options that allow you to tailor the truck to your specific needs and preferences. For example, the Z71 package offers off-road capabilities and a more rugged look, while the LT package offers a more luxurious feel with leather seats and a sunroof. Additionally, Chevy also offers a variety of exterior and interior color options, so you can choose the perfect color to match your personal style. And with a variety of bed sizes and cab configurations, you can choose the perfect Colorado for your specific needs. Whether you need a truck for work, play, or both, the 2023 Chevy Colorado has you covered. Another advantage of the 2023 Chevy Colorado is its warranty. Chevy offers a comprehensive warranty package that covers the truck for 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your truck is protected against any potential defects or issues. And with Chevy's reputation for producing durable and reliable vehicles, you can be sure that the Colorado will be a great investment for years to come. Another great aspect of the 2023 Chevy Colorado is its advanced technology. The truck comes standard with a host of features that make it easy and convenient to use. For example, the available keyless entry and push-button start allow you to get in and go without fumbling for keys. Additionally, the available rear-view camera makes it easy to back up and park, even in tight spaces. The Colorado also offers a variety of advanced driver assistance technologies, including lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. These features use sensors and cameras to detect potential hazards on the road and alert the driver, helping to prevent accidents and keep you safe on the road. The 2023 Chevy Colorado is also a great choice for those who need to stay connected while on the go. The truck comes standard with a variety of connectivity options, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which allow you to access your favorite apps, music, and navigation directly from the truck's infotainment system. Additionally, the available 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot allows you to connect up to 7 devices to the internet, making it easy to stay connected and productive while on the go. The 2023 Chevy Colorado is also a great choice for those who want to customize their truck. Chevy offers a wide range of packages and options that allow you to tailor the truck to your specific needs and preferences. For example, the Z71 package offers off-road capabilities and a more rugged look, while the LT package offers a more luxurious feel with leather seats and a sunroof. Another great aspect of the 2023 Chevy Colorado is its versatility. The truck offers a variety of cab and bed configurations, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your needs. For example, the extended cab option offers more seating and storage space, making it perfect for families or those who frequently transport passengers. Additionally, the available long box option provides additional cargo space, making it perfect for hauling larger items. The Colorado also offers a variety of trims to choose from, including the base, work truck, LT, Z71, and ZR2. Each trim offers a unique set of features and capabilities, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. For example, the ZR2 trim is designed for off-road enthusiasts, with features such as a suspension lift, skid plates, and off-road tires. Another great feature of the 2023 Chevy Colorado is its fuel efficiency. Despite its powerful engine options, the truck still manages to achieve impressive fuel economy ratings. The 4-cylinder engine gets an estimated 20 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway, while the V6 engine gets 18 mpg in the city and 25 mpg on the highway. This makes the Colorado an excellent choice for both work and play, as you won't have to constantly stop to fill up the tank. Finally, the 2023 Chevy Colorado also offers a variety of options that can be added to make it even more capable and comfortable. For example, the available towing package includes a larger radiator, heavy-duty cooling fan, and a higher capacity transmission oil cooler. This allows the truck to tow even more weight, making it perfect for those who frequently haul heavy loads. Thanks so much for watching till the end. Please like, comment and subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video. Until next time, see you later.